Thank you for buying this 21940-42 art from Fixture Displays. This abstract art is very small and can be positioned in many convenient places, such as on your car, your tabletop, your bookshelf, mantle. You can also wall mount this with a couple of screws. The screws are not supplied. Within this family of art products, there are many different designs and shapes, including some pet products. You can search 21940 on fixturedisplays.com to locate the other designs. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, cs@fixturedisplays.com. I encourage you to browse our website for other products and services we offer for businesses and consumers. Once again, thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.